Check in. They're on the work. See there? I invent something, you know. Yeah, I invent something when I never did have in here. Just a change up the looks. One kind of way. Yeah, one kind of way. That way I do. Alright, people. So tell me how you look. How you look? Watch out now. If you don't know subscribe. Check in. Watch out now. Paint. I go and paint them right now. See paint them, eh? Watch out. 3 different kind of pink this, you know. And don't believe this is a pink, you know. This is a pink, but this is a very bright version of rose pink. This is a lighter pink. This is a medium one. I don't want to use and paint the box them. Yeah, just the face alone I do still, you know, but I don't want to use. I like that one there. Yeah. So pink, here we come. Check in. People, watch out. You know, so the drive got watch just to buy them. The bag yeah, with them there. Screw and washer. That's all I'm gonna watch it for, you know. Drive all the way to Ochi. Just for that. Yeah. Alright now. Get my tin spray. People. I'm sorry. I know some people are gonna cuss me, but I have to spray the edge where I show in a black. Because you can't put red with pink and white and black. Red. The red just throw off everything. So I put it in a black. Yeah. Not the whole speaker. Just the edge. So you go. Should I tape you out? I don't have no time for that. You know I go show. So you go. Speaker, playing. I want if you play good. And look good. And if you don't look good, now I go work out. So I'm going to spray it right now. Alright people, watch out now. See you look there? Yeah. That is what I want. Little bit of overspray upon them part, yeah? Up there, sir. But, and this are 3 coat. 3 coat on each of them. They have little overspray, but them part are not going to show. I just don't want the rim of the speaker to be red. I don't want that. Because as you see, I change the color of face of the box. So you just imagine me have this with red speaker in it. It's not gonna look good. I like it. Black and the pink we go good together. Yeah. So what time for putting back? Yeah, time for fit up back now. So fitting up time again. Wifey there work with me today, you know. Wifey I'm a second. Normal, you know. Me a screw box them together. I put 1 screw over here already, you know. But me a screw. Me I use them screw here. We screw 2 box together. That's in a move. How many put them? I put 1 right there, so. Alright, see 1 here. See if I can catch it. If I can catch it, you catch it. Did. You know, easy, you know, people. The next one, this so. Right underneath the board. I mean, I'll put it there, so. I'll put it out the side now. Join them together. Okay, peeps. This is where I'm at right now. And so you take a look, you know. Yeah, I just put in the next 2 bass speaker. Yeah, I kind of put the carpet to protect the amps them from crop and paint up and all kind of stuff. But see there, like that, people. Just put in the next 2 speaker and supposed to go on a lead. And then now I have to set back the sound to play exactly how I used to play or better. Normal, you know? But me a work. Tired, but me a work. And night I come down again, you know. You need 2 speakers there. I'm going to try to put them in right now. And then operation reset. Normal, you know? Check in. I do some night work. Can't really see them now. Oh yeah, you can see them from here, so. See, you see how it shine washer then just show the box a little look, you know? Yeah. See them? Can't see them. One nearer. Can you see them now? Can you see them? Yeah. Yeah. I'm sure nice how the naked eye still, you know, but hard to catch them on camera. Inside I car now, you will pick them up more. Yeah, but still not put in the speaker them yet, you know, yo, people. Don't think so they look a work here, them look a work here. Them look a work here not easy. Them look a work here. Take work for do it. I'm tired. I can't tell them I'm tired. And me alone can't really put in the box. So I'm kind of wifey in the kitchen I look about my dinner. I kind of wait for my son to come home. My son gone on the road, so that me I go and do. But almost there. Pack up most things, pack up already. We can take up them sitting here right now. All of them sitting right there, so we can take them. Yeah, all of them. Can take up now. I'm done with them. All them board. Only sponge they needed. Because I sponge me used to mount the amps. So the sponge needed. But most things, all the way up there are just some old cloth and some wire where I'm not really ready to put back in the car yet. Because the back of the car ready to. I put in most of the wire them around the other side there. I don't put in nothing around there yet because I don't done fit up around there yet. And I need to finish wire up that. Yeah, after I finish wire up that, then when I finish wire up the switch there, I can set them wire there properly. Alright, people, me are gonna run 4 wire. To my base amps. 4. Me are gonna run to my base amps. Yeah, 4. Me used to run 2 knot. Now me are gonna run 4 2 knot. But me I wait for some dual connector. Dual 2 knot connector. Yeah. So when me get a dual 2 knot connector them, me I gonna run one double run of everything. 2 live, 2 guns. Me run the wire them already, you know. Just as me can't connect them to the amps yet. Me I gonna connect just 1 2 knot and one next 2 knot. 1 live, 1 grounds. But when me get the connector them, me I gonna run 4 2 grounds, 2 live. And my voltage up now, people. I can't tell you that my voltage up. No charger, no plug in. One I charger plug in. But I lowest charger plug in. Let me plug in one next charger. Plug in one next charger. See there? Blow out. I don't want so much volt. I have to turn down them charger, you know, because them charger will overcharge, you know. 15, you go a while ago, you know, 15.4, you know. Yeah, you know if Power Max can turn up and turn down. Well, it look like it up. I want to turn it down. Yeah, normal. So I'm Bob Marley, I play, I don't want nothing to play one time I talk, you know, because I can't take the copyright problem. Yeah, that. Could I almost play some music, you know, man. Go on work, yeah, man. See if I can put in the next 2 speakers then. Put in the amps. Finish up around this and them thing there. Normal. Check in hours a night I know, people. Feel like I hear some more in the video. Yeah, feel like I hear some done work feel night, you know? Feel like me go in and out, cause hours. Alright, base amps install. Only part of base amps are not installed yet. I don't put on the current wire them yet. Yeah. Can put them on too, you know, but I don't put them on yet. I want to put some more solder in on them part, yeah. Yeah, but I solder them up and put them on. Normal. Yeah. Round here so now. Round here so. Speaker them fully installed and active right now. So people watch now, when me connect them current wire up on the bass amps, you know, me can play bass, you know. If me want. Now play no bass in the night. You know, so me now put on them current wire up on the amps either. Because if me put on the current wire up on the bass amps, I go want to play. And me now play no bass tonight. No. Because I'm going to disturb the community. Wicked. Now I go do that. Alright. Boom, bang, bang. Me I go pack up the things them. Pack up them seat and them tool and them. Lock all the chunk. Oh, people, my wire up like a fan, you know, see switch there, you know. Turn on that. High speed. Yo, me say me don't know how this a one fan is so bad. Yeah. Go over this, sir. Alright, fan I do that, you know, man. Let me get the cloth and put this on. Fan I do that, you know, that's when you see how much breeze really I blow from the one fan. Alright, let me cut this. Cover this a fan. This a fan and I don't know. Put it. Alright, let me cover this. See, Top move. Watch now. See? Right now if you even make the edge of this a cloth, sure, it have to blow you off. Have to blow you off. The fan you blow, you know, man. You like it? Normal, you know? See the machine there? 8K, 2 ohms. See that? 2 ohms. See that? That's all? 2 ohms, 8,000 watt. And this is 8,000 RMS, MD 8,000. That is what's playing the bass. The real way. Normal, you know? So people, we are clean up, and pack up for the night. Good.